Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Vintage inspired cottage home decor inspiration for your cozy home decor. Let's start the video. Vintage inspired cottage home decor is a warm, elegant decorating style that blends old world vintage charm with a soft, refined, and cozy cottage feel. It feels romantic, lived-in, and graceful, never heavy or overly rustic. Since you love English country and cottage-style interiors, this style fits beautifully with your aesthetics. Hot defines vintage cottage decor. Use soft muted color palette. Think gentle, charm-on colors that feel calm and welcoming. Use cream, ivory, and soft white. Also use dusty rose and blush pink, shell green, muted blue, warm beige and grays. These colors create that sun-faded countryside cottage look. Use elegant vintage furniture. Furniture looks antique or gently edged but is still graceful. Use displays wooden tables and cabinets, and curved legs and curved details. Painted furniture in chalky finishes. Old dressers repurposed as vanities or sideboards. Nothing looks new, everything tells a story. Use romantic textiles and fabrics. Soft fabrics add charm and comfort. Use floral prints with small, delicate patterns. Lace, crochet, and embroidered details. Use linen or cotton curtains. Ruffled cushions and throws. These details give the space a grandmother meets French cottage elegance. Use decorative vintage accessories. Accessories are key in vintage chic style. Use antique mirrors with ornate frames, ceramic pitchers, teacups, and bowls. Use old books, clocks, and frames. Glass jars, candles, holders, and trays. Each piece feels collected, not decorated. Soft lighting and warm glow. Lighting should feel gentle and romantic. Use table lamps with fabric shades, candlelights or pendant lights with vintage design, candles and fairy lights. The goal is a soft evening glow, like a countryside cottage at sunset. Use floral and nature touches. Nature keeps the cottage soul alive. Use fresh or dried flowers like roses, lavender, and wildflowers. Use wicker baskets, wooden accents, potted herbs near windows. Overall feel, vintage cottage decor feels cozy but elegant, feminine yet timeless, nostalgic but fresh, calm, warm, and welcoming. It is perfect for small cottages, bedrooms, kitchens, and living rooms. The philosophy behind vintage cottage style. This style is not about perfection, it celebrates age, patina, and history. Items that look loved, not showroom new. A slow, collected look rather than fast decor trends. Think of a quiet English countryside cottage where every object has a memory. Furniture styling rules: mix patterns plus natural wood. Combine straight lines with curves. Use furniture that looks slightly worn. Examples are painted sideboards with chipped edge, a wooden farmhouse table with visible grain, cane backed or spindle chairs. Also use iron bed frames with delicate detailing. Imperfections are beautiful here. Textiles, the soul of the cottage. Textiles bring warmth and softness. Use layer curtains, shared lace plus linen panels. Use slip-covered sofas for a relaxed look. Add crochet, quilted, or patchwork throws. Pillow covers with ruffles, florals, or embroidery. Natural fabrics only: cotton, linen, wool. Accessories: crowded, not cluttered. Instead of many small items, group them thoughtfully. Use old books stuck with a candle on top. A tray with glass bottles and flowers, vintage frames laid against the wall, ceramic jugs filled with dried stems. This keeps the space cozy, not messy. Nature-inspired cottage touches. Vintage Chic cottage feels connected to nature. Use dried lavender, eucalyptus, and wheat. Herbs in clay pots, especially kittens. Floral wallpaper in small sections. Use wicker, rattan, and oven baskets. Nature softens the vintage elements. Lighting style often overlooked. Use multiple soft light sources. Use table lamps with fabric or pleated shades. Wall sconces in antique brass. Candles in glass or ceramic holders. Never rely on harsh ceiling light. Next, room by room mini guide. First, living room. Use slip-covered sofa, floral cushions. Use antique mirrors above mantel. Wooden coffee table with patina. Let's kitchen. Use open shelves with mismatched crockery. Lace cafe curtains. Wooden cutting boards on display. For bedroom, use iron or wooden bed frame, floral bedding plus crocheted straw. Vintage bedside lamps. How to avoid. Use high-gloss finishes, ultra-modern furniture. Plastic decor, too much symmetry. Overmatching sets. Vintage Chic is a soft, relaxed, and imperfect. Final feeling. A vintage Chic cottage home should feel like a peaceful countryside retreat, filled with memories, warmth, and gentle beauty. The emotional atmosphere. Vintage Chic cottage decor is designed to slow life down. It should make you feel calm and safe. Nostalgic, like childhood memories. Gently romantic, not dramatic. Cozy without feeling crowded. If a space feels rushed or trendy, it is not vintage Chic. The East Elegance color formula. Instead of plain pastels, use time-worn shades. Cream with warm undertones, not pure white. Use faded shades, olive or moss green. Fast blue gray. Soft mushroom, linen base. Dusty rose used very lightly. Designer tricks. Use 3 tones of the same color in odd room to create depth. Surface textures and finishes very important. Texture is how separates vintage Chic from basic cottage decor. Preferred finishes: chalk painted furniture with soft distressing, lime wash or whitewashed wood. Use natural stone or brick. Matte metals like antique brass or aged iron. Avoid glossy paint or polished chrome. Furniture character roles. Each furniture piece should have a visual story. Scarped legs, hand curved edged, cane spindle or turned details, slight or marks. Mix refined vintage Prince style chairs with simple cottage pieces like farm tables. Textiles layering secrets. Textiles must feel hand touched, not factory perfect. Washed linen contains that fall softly. Crocheted runners or trellis used subtly. Patchwork quilts, soft florals with tiny prints, never bold. Layer rule. Basic fabric. Use linen or cotton. Patterns. Use floral or check. Texture. Use crochet, lace, or embroidery. Vintage Chic cottage is low contrast lighting. Use warm bulbs only. Lampshades in linen or plated fabrics. Table lamps placed lower than eye level. Candlelight for evening softness. Lighting should feel like sunset indoors. Wall styling. Quiet but meaningful. Walls are never empty but never loud. Use botanical prints, old landscapes, gilded or wooden frames. On floral wallpaper accents wall subtle. Gallery walls should look collected over years. Accessories with purpose. Choose items that look useful. Use ceramic jugs, wicker baskets, wooden trays, old books, enamel or stoneware. If it looks purely decorative, it doesn't belong. Room specific advanced tips. Kitchen. Open shelving with mismatched platters, linen tea towels, wooden breadboards, soft floral cafe curtains. For bedroom, use iron bed with floral bedding, layered pillows, plain plus floral plus textured, antique bedside tables. For living room, use slip covered setting, low wooden coffee table, large antique mirror. Common mistakes to avoid: over distressing furniture, too many florals in one room, matching everything, trendy decor mixed in, cold white lighting. Final interior designer definition. Vintage Chic Cottage Decor is a gentle blend of face, elegance, comfort, and countryside romance, where beautiful is natural, never forced. Historical roots of vintage Chic cottage style. This style is inspired by English country cottages, French provincial homes, early 20th century rural houses. Homes are decorated slowly, using hot families already outed. That is why vintage Chic feels collected, layered, personal, imperfect. Nothing was bought as a set. Architectural elements that matter. Even small details help create authenticity. Softly edged wooden floors, exposed ceiling beams, real artworks, baseboard or tongue and groove walls. Fireplace surrounded in stone or brick. Panel door painted in muted tones. These details give a home its cottage soul. Windows and curtains styling. Windows feel airy and romantic. Use linen cafe curtains. Lace panels layered with plain drapes. Wooden or iron curtain rods. Curtain hung higher to add softness. Avoid heavy blackout curtains in main living areas. Handmade and artisan details. Realistic cottages values craftsmanship. Sad crocheted runners, embroidered pillow covers, knitted throws, handmade pottery. These details add warmth and authenticity. Mirrors and reflections. Mirrors are versatile. Ornate antique style frames use edged or slightly cloudy glass, placed to reflect light, not perfection. They make small cottages feel brighter and large. Plants and florals, natural not perfect. Forget sculpted plants. Use dried flowers, wildflower arrangements, potted herbs, climbers near windows. Nature should feel free and untamed. Storage as decor. Storage item table as decor. Use wicker baskets, wooden crates, vintage trunks, open shelves. Everything feels accessible and lived in. Styling mindset. Most important. Before adding anything, ask: does this feel gentle, aged, and comforting? If it feels trendy or shiny, it doesn't belong. vintage chic cottage is not decorated, it is slowly grown, like a garden. The soft luxury concept. Vintage chic cottage decor is luxurious in feeling, not in price. Luxury comes from comfort, texture, patina, and harmony. Nothing should look expensive at first glance, yet everything should feel special. Storytelling to decor each object should feel meaningful. A jug that once held flowers, a chair passed through years, books with own spines, frames with old art or photos. This creates emotional depth. Seasonal styling keeps it alive. Vintage homes change gently with seasons. Spring. Use fresh florals and light linens. For summer, use airy curtains and baskets. For autumn, knitted throws, dried feet. For winter, candles, quilts, layered textures. A small changes keeps the home soulful. A small space vintage very useful for compact homes. Use mirrors to bounce light to slim furniture legs. Keep color palette extra light. Use open shelves instead of cabinets. Vintage works beautifully in small cottages. Final mistakes to avoid: overcrowding rooms, too many antiques at once, changing modern decor mixed in, a school white lighting, over matching fabrics. Ultimate definition: vintage cottage decor is a gently art of blending ease, comfort, and quiet beauty, where every detail feels naturally at home. Final designer thought: a vintage chic cottage is not decorated, it is slowly grown, like a garden. I think today's ideas will help you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.